Nirelease na ng Xiaomi ang bago nilang budget-friendly 5G smartphone sa India. At ito ang Redmi 13C 5G. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang price nito, make sure lang na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin ang specs and features niya. Meron itong 6.74-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. May 90Hz refresh rate with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection. May 600 nits high brightness mode at may TUV Rainland low blue light and flicker-free certifications. Ang Redmi 13C 5G ay mayroong operating system na MIUI 14 based on Android 13 with MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus 6nm chipset at may Mali G57 MC2 na GPU. Ang phone na to ay may 4, 6 or 8GB of RAM plus 8GB extended RAM with 128 or 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD. Ang Redmi 13C 5G ay mayroong dual rear camera setup with 50MP main camera plus auxiliary lens with LED flash and HDR at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron itong 5MP selfie camera with HDR at may 1080p at 30fps video recording. Meron siyang 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 168 by 78 by 8.1mm at may timbang na 192 grams. Meron siyang splash and dust resistant at ito ay may dual SIM. Para naman sa security ng phone na to, meron siyang side-mounted fingerprint scanner at AI face unlock at meron siyang loudspeaker. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS, FM radio, headphone jack, and USB Type-C. Tara, dito na tayo sa price niya. Ang estimated price ng Redmi 13C 5G ay ang mga sumusunod. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Redmi 13C 5G? Please comment down below. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, like at i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat! Peace!